Okay, it is Christmas in August. I got my new Galaxy Note 7, which is recording this video, and my Purple mattress came in yesterday. So the only criticism I had is if you put this handle on both sides, it's easier to lift up and bring up the stairs. This puppy is a little heavy. So we'll open it up. And so once you open it, we'll put some goodies in here. Shipping information. This is the tool used to cut it. And it says here, fully unzip the end and slit the entire length of the bag. Alright. Let's put this in here. And it broke. All right. We're going to have to get some scissors. Be right back. All right. I got some heavy duty scissors and just got to make sure I don't cut that mattress. Bag cut's easy enough. All right. Easy enough to manage. Let's make sure I'm rolling it out properly. It's amazing how tightly packed this thing was. Oh, wrong way. Very nice. Feels comfortable. Nice and cool. Let it breathe a little bit. Tonight we'll try it, but I'm glad I made this purchase. Let's see what happens.